Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to collaborate on SharePoint Online in 2025. Now, SharePoint is a part of Microsoft 365 and it makes it very easy for you to share the files, to co-edit the documents and work together as a team. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to come here on Microsoft 365. Over here, you just have to log in into your account. Here in the search bar, when you search for SharePoint, you will be redirected here on the SharePoint website. Over here, when you click on the option of sign in or the admin center, you won't be able to sign in here with your regular email address. You need to have a working email in order to create your account here. So setting up your account here is absolutely for free. So you can just simply click on the option of sign in and you can sign in here with the help of your work email. So this particular website becomes the hub for your files, for the lists and the team pages. Now you need to go to the documents library, then click on the option of upload and add the files and the folders over here. You can also create a subfolder for the projects or the departments so that everything stays organized. Now, whichever file you have created over here, when you click on that file and select the option of share, you can enter the email address of your teammates, then choose whether they can view or edit that folder. It is similar like we do in the Google Drive. You can also generate a source link to share with the external partners. Now, when you open MS Word or Excel or PowerPoint files from SharePoint, multiple people can edit it at the same time with the changes that saved automatically. If you want to mention any one of them, you can select the option of @mention in the comments to collaborate faster. So this is how you can collaborate on SharePoint Online in 2025. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.